In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can create clickable images in WordPress. To start off, we're going to go into the dashboard, and then we're going to go into posts. We're going to create a new post now, though of course you can use an old post that you have with images that already exist in it. I'm just going to call this our clickable image demo, and then we need an image. So what I'm going to do is just choose this green leaf, and if we scroll down, we've got some options over on the right hand side. We can choose where it links to. So right now it is only going to link to the file itself. So within a post, that's what it will link to, just the image, nothing else whatsoever. You can also choose for it to go to the attachment page, which is a little bit different, and we'll just show you that now. And there you go. So all images in WordPress have an attachment page. Anything in the media library does, and this is what it looks like. In the most cases though, people won't often be on this page though, so having it linked there is probably not overwhelmingly useful unless you have a very image-centric website and you're going to change these details here and perhaps even add a little detail into it. And the next alternative we have is choosing custom URL. So what this allows you to do is actually link to something completely different. So you could choose any domain you like. I'm just going to use WPKB for this, and we'll insert that into the post. And I'll publish that post now, and we can go through to view it, and we'll see how that looks. So we can see just there's the post, no problem. And you can see the link down the bottom left-hand corner does go to WPKB. So if we click on that, it'll take us through to the right website. There is another way that you can do this though. So if we jump back into the post editor, and once you've already got an image inserted, you can click on the little image icon as you hover over it. And what you can do here is you can change the link URL there. You can choose none, current link to an image. Those options are all available to you. You can also go into the advanced settings tab, as you can see up the top. And the advanced link settings are very straightforward. You can put in a title for that link. So if you hover over a link, or indeed hover over the image, it will provide a little bit of text. So we'll just put in link to WPKB. You put in a link relationship. You don't need to do that though. As far as CSS and styles go, that's really to do if you want to really customize it and you are familiar with the CSS you need to do in order to achieve the desired result. And then alternatively, or in addition to, you've also got a target which you can choose so that it opens in a new window. So I'm just going to assign a title now and say for it to open in a new window, and click update there. And we'll just update the post once more, and we'll go back to view it. So there's our image. If we hover over it, we can see that that title text appears, and it also will still link through to WPKB. So we'll go back into the post editor now, and over here you can see you have visual and text. If we have a look at the text tab, we can actually see the HTML that is being output in order to create this effect. So we've got a few things. First, we have a paragraph. The next tags we have are the link tags, the anchor tags. And you can see the title is defined there as what we said we wanted earlier. The href is just the link that we want it to go to, as you can see there. And where it says target_blank, that's what makes it open in a new window. Then we come down and you can see we have the actual image tag, and then we've got the class which will also handle that image being aligned to the center. It then has some WordPress specific tags such as size medium, because we only chose to insert the medium sized image. It also has WP image 1687, which is specific to this image and this image alone, because all it does is every time you upload an image to WordPress and you insert it, it will apply the image's ID as that final 4-digit number there to the class. Then you've also got the alt text available, so if you don't actually define that, it will just automatically take the file name and use that as the alt text. Then it's got the source, and this is just where on the server that image lives, which should be pretty familiar to you. And then finally it just has the width and height there. And so those are actually hard coded into the image. And then you can see we've just got the closing A and paragraph tag there. So that should give you an understanding of how you can create a clickable image in WordPress, one that links to somewhere else. You just need to make sure you have your opening A tag before and the closing A tag after the actual image tag, as you can see here. you're more than welcome to visit the text editor and make changes there and get a little bit familiar with HTML if you're not already. But that's where we're going to wrap up now. So if you have any questions about this, or you need anything cleared up, please feel free to ask in the comments below.